with Jeff Geiss, and he's going to tell us all about this. Jeff,
thanks,
for the
Dirk.
show.
Nice
Thanks
to meet you.
So, this. What did you do? Put this in a bubble, or store it away in a time capsule? Because it's absolutely perfect.
Thank you, Dirk. Actually, we commissioned the FJ company to build it. They have headquarters in Miami, Florida. They source these from the mountains of Colombia, where it's very arid and dry, so they get rust-free examples. And then they have a 70,000 square foot facility in Bogota where they basically do a bare bones restoration, complete nut and bolt, powder coat the frame, etc., to bring you what you have here today.
So it's a brand new vehicle made from the bones of an original Land Cruiser.
Yes.
Then.
Yeah, they try to keep it as original to the classic as possible. Still has a mechanical fan. They do make some drivability upgrades. It's got the gearbox out of an FJ80 along with power steering. They put a new Toyota 5-speed transmission in, so it has overdrive. And it also has a vintage Air Gen 4 air conditioning system as well.
So it's totally usable. It could be an everyday driver as far as...
Totally is. It has a old man EMU 3-inch suspension lift, complete suspension. It tracks just like a new car.
Wow. So this is a rough and ready 4x4 and an everyday driver, all in a vintage 70s
with the Toyota reliability.
Toyota reliability. Wow. And so is this your favorite color here? Or
yeah,
what?
It's actually a factory paint color. It's code 637. It's called olive.
Olive, yeah.
And then the interior is a brown saddle, a saddle brown interior.
So this is what, a 4-passenger?
My daughter likes to say it's a 7-passenger, but I guess that's if they're all her size.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's cool. So, how long? Is this something that's been you've been driving for a while, or what? Do you got?
No, actually, we just took possession of it a couple months ago, and we keep it here on the island, and it's basically a beach car, an island car.
Wow.
Intend to use it as such.
Well, that's terrific. So, is this something you just found out of the blue, or is this something that you were a Land Cruiser guy all along?
Previously into Jeeps, and always loved the look of the classic FJ, the headlights and whatnot, the front end, and had to have one. Found this company that did them as well as they did, and here we are today.
Well, that's terrific. Well, geez, I really appreciate you bringing it out. I think it was really an eclectic vehicle to see on the field here. We saw some lots of the standards, the Porsches, the McLarens, but this stood out as one of the coolest cars here.
Thank you, Dirk. I appreciate that you agree with me.
All right. Well, thanks for taking the time with us.
Thank you, Dirk.
I'm Dirk Burrowes from Classic Drive Television. We still got more, so don't go away.